Good morning, welcome to my channel. This video is on Independence Day speech in English for primary class children. Now listen to the speech.
Vande Mataram. Distinguished chief guests, respected principal, esteemed teachers and my dear friends. Good morning. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today, on the occasion of 74th Independence Day, I feel honored to speak few words on the freedom of our motherland. 15th August is a day of historical importance. On this day in 1947, India became independent from the British rule. Our country was ruled by the British for hundreds of years, and Indians lived a miserable life under the British rule. Indians were very much disappointed by the British rule and felt the need for the freedom of our country. People from across the country took part in various freedom movements and fought against the British for many years. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for our motherland. Finally, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, Indians unitedly fought against the British with peace and non-violence as the strongest weapon. Thus, India became free from the British rule on 15th August 1947, and that was the happiest moment for India. Hence, every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August and remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Our Prime Minister hoists the national tricolor flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. Indians salute the national flag with great respect and then sing our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Our national flag is hoisted in every nook and corner of India, and it makes us feel proud when we see our national flag flying high in the sky. Vijay Vishwa Tiranga Pyara Jhanda Uncha Rahe Hamara. Many such patriotic songs reverberate across the country. Dear friends, we are blessed to be born in free India. Our freedom fighters had given us the precious gift of freedom, and now it is our responsibility to safeguard the hard-earned freedom of our motherland. I thus conclude the speech and thank our principal and teachers for giving me an opportunity to speak about my motherland on this historic day. Jai Hind. Thank you.